Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn 30 short English sentence for daily routine. So let's start the new lesson. रोज़ाना बोले जाने वाले इंग्लिश फिक्रात। आप बहुत अच्छे हैं. You are so sweet. You are so sweet. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. कल मुलाकात होगी. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. आपका दिन खुशगवार रहे. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. तुम बहुत शक्की हो. You are very skeptical. You are very skeptical. मुझे ये पसंद है. I like it. I like it. मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है. I don't like it. I don't like it. मैं मुश्किल में हूँ. I am in trouble. I am in trouble. मैं ये जानता हूँ. I know. I know. तुम क्या जानते हो? What you know? What you know? क्या मैं बाहर जाऊँ? May I go out? May I go out? वक्त ख़त्म हुआ. Time is over. Time is over. तुम्हें क्यों जलन हो रही है? Why are you jealous? Why are you jealous? दूसरों के लिए मददगार बने. Be helpful to others. Be helpful to others. अपने अखराजात कम करें. Cut down your expenses. Cut down your expenses. मुझे सर्दी लग रही है. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. मुझे परेशान न करो. Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. कीमतें काबू से बाहर हैं. Prices are out of control. Prices are out of control. गुरूर का सर नीचा. Pride had a fall. Pride had a fall. मेरे पास दूसरा रास्ता नहीं है. I have no other choice. I have no other choice. कुछ गड़बड़ है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. उंगली मत दिखाओ. Don't point your finger. Don't point your finger. छोड़ूंगा नहीं तुम्हें. I won't spare you. I won't spare you. यहाँ से दफ़ा हो जाओ. Go out from here. Go out from here. बाहर में जाओ. Go to hell. Go to hell. इस जन्म में तो नहीं. Not in this lifetime. Not in this lifetime. ज़ोर से मत बोलो. Don't speak loudly. Don't speak loudly. उसने मुझे थप्पड़ मारा. He slapped me. He slapped me. Slap me थप्पड़ मारना. मुझे अभी जाना है. I must leave now. I must leave now. मुझे नहीं मालूम. I don't know. I don't know. Thanks for watching viewers. Please like and comment my video and subscribe my YouTube channel.